the Lion, and Polly the Parrot's Nature Exploration. In the heart of lush jungle, where tall trees whispered secrets and colorful flowers bloomed, lived Lenny the Lion and his adventurous friend Polly the Parrot. Lenny was a curious lion with a keen sense of exploration, while Polly was a vibrant parrot always ready for new discoveries. One bright morning, Lenny's curiosity sparked as he watched a group of butterflies fluttering by. Polly, he said excitedly, let's go on a nature exploration adventure. There is so much to discover in our jungle home. Polly flapped her wings in agreement. Sounds like a marvelous idea, Lenny. What do you want to explore first? Lenny pondered for a moment before replying. Let's start by discovering different types of trees in the jungle. I have heard there are many with unique shapes and sizes. And so Lenny and Polly set off into the depths of the jungle, their eyes wide with wonder and excitement. Along the way, they encountered towering trees with broad leaves, twisted vines, and thick trunks. Polly, look at this tree, exclaimed Lenny, pointing to a giant tree with roots that seemed to stretch for miles. This must be an ancient tree. I wonder how old it is. Polly nodded. Yes, Lenny, trees like this provide homes for many animals and keep our jungle healthy. As they continued their exploration, Lenny and Polly came across a sparkling stream, winding its way through the jungle. Let's follow the stream, Polly, suggested Lenny. I have heard there are all sorts of creatures that live near water. They tiptoed along the stream's edge, marveling at the colorful fish darting beneath the surface and graceful dragonflies skimming the water surface. Polly, did you know that streams like this one are essential for providing water to plants and animals in the jungle? Lenny asked with fascination. Polly nodded. Yes, Lenny, water is life. And streams like this one are like highways for creatures big and small. Their adventure continued as they discovered hidden nooks with exotic flowers bloomed and playful monkeys swung from branch to branch. They even stumbled upon a clearing where they spotted a family of gentle deer grazing peacefully. As the sun began to set, casting a warm glow over the jungle, Lenny and Polly made their way back home, their hearts filled with wonder and gratitude for the beauty of nature. Lenny, today was an amazing adventure, Polly said, her feathers ruffling with excitement. I never knew there was so much to discover in our jungle home. Lenny smiled contentedly. Yes, Polly, there's so much to learn and explore in nature. I can't wait for our next adventure together. And so, under the twinkling stars and gentle rustle of the leaves, Lenny, the lion, and Polly the parrot drifted off to sleep, dreaming of the countless adventures that awaited them in their beloved jungle home.